Kessler from Walsh Jesuit High School, and this section is on word problems. Now, I know you're excited as I am to get started on word problems, so let's go ahead and look at the first example. So we have Drengen Donuts, and he sells donuts for 20 cents each plus 15 cents for the box that they come in. So how many donuts did you buy if you spent 355 cents? So first, before you start anything, you always want to have a let statement, which means you let x, which is your variable, equal whatever you're trying to find. And in this case, you're trying to find how many donuts did he buy. So let x equal your donuts. Then you have to go through and get the equation for your problem. So you notice, just read it step by step. He sells donuts for 20 cents each. So that means you're going to spend 20 cents for every donut that you buy. And your donuts is x. So that's what it's represented by. So you have 20 times x. Then you want to add 15 cents for the box that they come in. So all you have to do is just add 15. Then it says your total amount that you spent is 355 cents. So that means the amount of donuts that you bought plus the 15 cents is going to equal your total of 355. Once you have your equation, it's really easy because you just solve like normal by subtracting 15 on both sides. So you have 20x equals 340. Then from there, just divide by 20 on both sides. So x equals, your zeros cancel, 34 over 2 gives me 17. Then you want to label it just like how you had your x labeled up here, and your answer is 17 donuts. Make sure you do label your answers because I'm not sure if they're donuts or cats or houses or something like that. So make sure you label it exactly what you have your x up in your let statement. So that's my answer to the problem. Let's try another one. We've got dug up, and he must shovel a pile containing 50 cubic feet of sand into a dump truck. With each scoop, he decreases the size of the pile by 1/4 cubic foot. How many scoops should he shovel if 20 cubic feet remain in the pile? Now again, before you get overwhelmed by reading everything, I just need you to get me a let statement. So let x equals, and what are we trying to find? And it's how many scoops. Okay, so how many scoops did he shovel? Now, it says that the pile contains 50 cubic feet. So you're going to start with 50. And don't worry about that cube there. All we need is the 50. This cubic feet, that's just a label, so we need 50. Then, and it's 50 cubic feet of sand into a dump truck. With each scoop, he decreases the size. Now, decrease means minus. So you decrease the pile by 1/6 of those cubic feet. So you have 1/6, and that's going to be per scoop that he scoops out of that pile. So you have 1/6 x. And then it says how many scoops did he shovel if there are 20 cubic feet remaining in the pile, which means it's going to equal 20. All right, so from this, all you need to do is go through, we can clear fractions, and it might be really easy to work with. So let's clear fractions by finding our LCD, which is 6. So multiply every single term by 6, because I hate working with fractions. So 6 times 50 gives me 300. Then my 6's cancel, and I just have minus x. Then 20 times 6 is going to give me 120. Then subtract 300 on both sides. So you get negative x equals 120 minus 300 is going to give me 180. Divide by negative 1, and you get x equals positive 180. So that means from there you had 180 scoops because you always want to label. And that is my answer. All right, so that's our word problems for today. If you have any questions, make sure you come and see me in the math office or email me at kesserse@walshjesuit.org. I'll see you in class tomorrow.